Hey, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and we're going to go over the 2018 Honda Rancher 4x4 DCT IRS EPS. It's going to come in the Honda Phantom Camo as well as the neon yellow in the corner of the screen there. It's going to have the switchable and on-demand Traxlok's Honda 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive that you can switch between the two whenever you want. It's going to be riding on a nice set of Maxxis tires. You got some in the front and one in the back. So we come around the front, you're going to see the nice halogens on the front as well as the lower brush guard. This model is going to be a DCT, so it is automatic as well as having a electric shift. It's going to be all on demand, up and down as you want, as well as switchable right there between the automatic and electric shift. As I come around to the back, you're going to see the nice dual shocks of our independent rear suspension right there. You have one on the left and one on the right, of course. You got your differential in the middle on that little silver spark. It is going to have a middle off the shaft disc brake, which is going to help with debris, so you're not getting debris caught up in your brakes, as well as centralizing your braking off of the shaft. It's going to be running Honda's longitudinally put engine, which means you're going to have a shaft out the front, shaft out the back. No belt drives, nothing like that. So let's start it up, and it's going to be a nice little one click, starts up, and it's immediate because of the Honda fuel injection. As you can see, I just switched it from neutral to drive and from drive to first gear, switching it from the automatic to the non-automatic and then back. And you switch it back down to neutral, turn your key off. Guys, come in, take this for a test ride, take it around our little track, and I promise you're going to go home with it. Come see us at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs. All Hondas may be treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work